Imagine if your phone could actually make you money, starting today with no tricks or complicated setups. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you it's not only possible, it's easier than you think? Most people just scroll endlessly, wasting hours on social media or games. But every single minute you spend on your phone could be putting real cash in your pocket, if you know where to look and what to do. Over the past few weeks, I've tested out the wildest, fastest, and most creative ways to earn money using just a smartphone. No complicated business plans, no need to wait months for results, and absolutely no experience required. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 totally legit step-by-step methods you can start using right after you finish watching. These aren't scams or get-rich-quick schemes, just real, practical ways to make extra cash. I'm even going to try some of these methods live right here, so you can see exactly how simple and quick it is to get started. You'll watch me earn money in real time. So, are you ready to finally turn your phone into a money-making machine? Let's jump right in. Here's method number 1, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, online surveys. Yes, companies pay you real money just to share your opinions. Download apps like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks, fill out quick surveys, and cash out via PayPal or gift cards. It's not a fortune, but it's an easy $50, $100 a month for a few minutes here and there. I'm starting a survey right now. Let's see what I make by the end of this video. Don't sleep on this. Free money for your thoughts. Ready for something even crazier? Let's go. Next up, your photos. Got a phone camera? Your everyday photos can earn you passive income. Upload shots, pets, food, sunsets to apps like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Fope. Every time someone downloads your photo, you get paid. No pro skills needed. Authentic, real-life images are in demand. I'm snapping a pic of this microphone, uploading it, and tagging it. Done in under a minute. Imagine uploading 100 photos. Each one could keep earning you money. That's passive income right from your pocket. Let's move to the next method. Do you have a skill you're proud of? Maybe you're great at writing, graphic design, video editing, or even social media management? No matter what your talent is, there's someone out there who needs it, and you can offer your services right from your phone. Today, freelancing doesn't require a fancy office or expensive equipment. All you need is your smartphone and a bit of creativity. Apps like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to connect with clients from all over the world, right from your pocket. You can browse gigs, respond to messages, and manage your freelance business on the go. Set your own rates, create a gig that showcases your skills, and get paid for quick jobs, whenever and wherever you want. It's flexible, and you're in control. For example, I'm posting a gig right now. Shout out in my next video for $100. It's that simple to start earning. The best part? These apps handle all the payments and client communication for you, so you can focus on delivering great work and building your reputation. Over time, you'll build a portfolio, collect positive reviews, and watch your earnings grow, all from the palm of your hand. If you have a skill, there's no reason not to start freelancing today. Next up, discover how you can get paid just for shopping. Want cash back for shopping? Use apps like Rakuten and Ibotta. Shop through their links or scan your grocery receipts and get real money back, no strings attached. Buy what you already need and watch the savings add up. I've saved hundreds a year just by using these apps. It's free money you'd otherwise leave behind. Download them now. Seriously, don't miss out. Ready for the biggest moneymaker? Let's talk going viral. Social media is the ultimate money machine. Every day, millions of people are turning their creativity into cash, right from their phones. The power to reach a global audience is literally in your pocket, and the opportunities are endless if you know how to use them. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, these platforms are exploding with short videos. If you can create something catchy, funny, or inspiring, you could go viral overnight and gain thousands, even millions of followers in just a few days. All you need is your phone and a good idea, no fancy gear required. You don't need a studio or expensive equipment, just a spark of creativity and the courage to hit record. Post consistently, and you'll start getting views. The more you share, the more chances you have to connect with people and build your own community online. Platforms pay for those views, and brands pay even more for promotions. As your audience grows, you can unlock new income streams, sponsorships, ad revenue, and exclusive deals. You can sell merch, promote your own projects, or just cash in on creator funds. The possibilities are endless, and you're in control of your own brand and business. I challenge you, post one video today. Take that first step, even if it feels scary. You never know what could happen until you try. You might be the next viral star. Imagine waking up to thousands of new followers and messages from brands wanting to work with you. Your phone is a global broadcast studio. Don't wait. Start creating now. The world is ready to watch what you have to share, so take your shot and see where it leads. Here's how to start your new life. The journey begins with a single post, so grab your phone and let your story unfold. That's 5 ways to make real money with just your phone. Surveys, photos, freelancing, shopping, and content creation. I finished that survey, made $3.50 while filming. Pick one method and try it today. Download an app, upload a photo, post a gig, or film a video. Your phone is your new moneymaker. Use it. Subscribe for more money hacks, and check the link below if you want to scale up to real automated income. Thanks for watching. Now go make that money. Your new life starts now.